Hello everyone, welcome to the live stream, all of you. I hope you all are doing very well, doing good. Okay, just give me a second. Hi Om. Hi Rohit. Start, ma'am. I can't wait. Okay, Rohit. Yeah, sure. We are just gonna start in next 1 2 3 more minutes. Yeah, just let everyone join in the live. Okay, Rohit, you want to learn coding? Yeah, that's super cool, and it's awesome as well. If you want to learn out coding? So yeah, I would teach you about all of the things in details, right into the project which we're making, and the things. Okay. Hi Rahul, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Hi Chandan, how are you doing? Thank you for asking, Rohit. I'm doing very good. Hi Rahul. Hi everyone, welcome to the live stream, all of you. Right. Okay, most welcome, Rohit. Okay, so that's big black. Okay, sorry, black hole. Okay, hi. I'm big fan of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Great to have you all here, guys, into this particular live stream, and we will be making up some cool Python project today with Python functions, with libraries, and everything, right? So yeah, just waiting for next 2 3 4 minutes. Um, then we'll be starting it over here. Okay, I am following in Tumblr for 5 years. Okay, very nice. Great to have you all here, guys. So just let me very quickly brief you over that how are the videos coming up onto the channel. So it's like that on Mondays we have some general videos like I guess last one I did had put in about your freelancing websites, right? And this Monday a very super cool and super awesome topic is gonna come up onto this Monday, so stay tuned for that, right? Tuesday we have a compilation of videos. Last time we had in PyTest, right? This time as well we'll be having something good. Wednesday, Thursdays and Fridays, these are your Python for machine learning. Saturday you have the live stream, and Sunday again we have Python for machine learning. So this is how everything is going, and every day in afternoon somewhat 1 2 or 3 p.m. I put up the shorts onto the channel, so you can go ahead and watch out some shorts as well, so that you get in some extra info as well about the things. Okay, Chandan ma'am, I have a doubt. Recently I made a Flappy Bird game using Pygame. Now ma'am, I want to deploy it online, so please can you guide me how to deploy? And see Chandan, you can just use any of the respective I would say the cloud-based services, right Chandan? You can use any of the cloud-based services based upon your interest, any of those, and you can just deploy that over there very easily. Rahul ma'am, I graduate now. Okay, I know little coding. I want to start again. Kindly guide me. Okay, so Rahul, so okay, if you want to start in again, so yeah, you first of all you can choose in your respective domain. That what's the domain where you want to further pursue up your career, right? So you can just choose up your domain based over that. Let's say you want to go in web development, app development, game development, or data science, machine learning, these types you can choose in, and accordingly you can start learning up the respective programming language. Right, and hope that helps you out, Rahul. Okay, great. Okay, so we are having okay, I would slowly disclose in that what is the project of today that we will be making in. Rather, I had already mentioned that over my thumbnail for today. So in that particular case, you can let me know, like, sorry, I'm gonna tell you that what is respective project we'll making. Just 1 second. Chandan, ma'am, should I have to loan Flask or Django for deploying it? No, it's not like that actually, Chandan. Uh, it's like that you can deploy it onto any of the online cloud services as well, right? But yeah, if you loan in like Django or Flask, if you want to learn it really, so in that case I would recommend you you should deploy up your sorry, you should use up your Django for that instead of Flask, if you ask out my recommendation, because Django is a really heavy framework, so it like has up a much more capacity to hold up the things rather than the Flask. No, I haven't used in R because I am completely a Python person for now. मैम अभी तो सिर्फ अच्छी जॉब क्रैक करनी है, उसके रेफरेंस में गाइड करिए. So Rahul, in which field you want? Rahul, like in which field you want the job? Like what have you done? What was your graduation about? Like you have done from which branch? Mani Tendulkar, hi. Yeah, hi. Hello, Mani. Welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, great. So till the time we can discuss out the project of today. And today's project will be making up the barcode. Last time barcode generator. Remember in the last live stream, which was on 16th, we had made in a QR code generator, right? And today we will be making up a barcode generator. Okay, so that is what is about today's project. Again, it's gonna be a GUI based. Okay, so we're making it a sort of a GUI one. Great. So we can slowly and gradually start writing out our codes, and whatever the questions you will be having in, we'll be taking them into the stream only. Okay, let's get started up over here, everyone. So first of all, I have to install in my library for respective barcode generator. So I will be writing up the command, which is pip install python underscore barcode. Now this python underscore barcode, this is my respective library name which I want to install, right? So this particular command, which is your pip install python barcode, this you will be writing it onto your terminal or onto your command prompt. In pycharm you have the terminal here downside, or otherwise you can use your command prompt. For that you can go over your search option and write down command prompt here. Okay, so onto that you have to write up this particular command, which is your pip install python barcode, right? So that's the idea. Fine. Now next I would just what I would do is that I would start importing up my respective libraries, right? So when I have installed my barcode library, now it's the time that I'll be importing in. So import bar code, right? Import barcode. So barcode was my respective library name that I wanted to like use in up over here for generating up my barcodes. And I'm gonna write in that from barcode dot writer, I will be importing up image writer. Okay, this is like this, right? So from my barcode dot writer, this particular library, I will be importing up the image writer function, right? That is what I am currently doing up over here, right? And I'll be writing that from take enter, I will be importing up asterisk. So that is from my tkinter library, I will be importing up all of my functions from this particular library, right? So these three are my requirements for my particular project of today, right? So I just want all of you to just very quickly write down this particular thing onto your pycharm screen, right? Till the time, let me just check out, and if you have any questions, so please ask out that question to me here in the chat box. राहुल कोई भी चलेगी. Okay, Rahul, it's actually not like that, Rahul. Like आपने जिस भी पर्टिकुलर फील्ड से अपनी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करी है, आपने उसी के बेसिस पे अपना रिज्यूम डिज़ाइन किया होगा, राइट? सो बेस्ड ओवर दैट रिज्यूम ओनली आप जो भी पर्टिकुलर जॉब्स हैं उन पे आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. जैसे कि मान लीजिए आपने कोई आपने कंप्यूटर साइंस से ही किया है, तो उसमें आपने जो जो चीज़ें पढ़ी है ना, तो उसको रिस्पेक्टिव आप कंपनीज में अलग अलग रोल पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आपने अगर लाइक BBA प्लस MBA किया है तो आप उसमें फिर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की तरफ आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सो इट डिपेंड्स राहुल कि आपने कौन सी पर्टिकुलर फील्ड से अपना ग्रेजुएशन किया है. ठीक है, होप दैट मेक्स a little bit more clear to you, Rahul. Right, and up till that everyone, just please confirm me, am I clear up with the particular importing of the libraries here? Arun. Hey Shambhavi. Hi Arun. I hope you are doing good. I'm trying to learn Python, but after doing basics, it's really hard to solve any problem in Python. See, Arun, whenever you are like learning some basics in Python, so yeah, it's a little difficult in the very starting to get used to of the things. But listen, Arun, it's like that. Ki, whenever you are actually learning up any particular I would say like Python, right? So from the do not start with the hard problems. Okay, I would recommend that start with the very simple problems. And if you're having problem in writing up their code, so do one thing that whenever you see up a code now, whenever you see up a question onto your screen, take up a pen and a paper with you and try to build up the logic using a pen and a paper over there, right? So you can just use up that pen and paper and build up the logic over there, and just after that logic is being built up, after doing some calculations and everything, then try to convert that particular thing into your code, right? In starting you might face in many difficulties doing the same thing, but afterwards you will get used to, and you will like very simply be able to start up with the things. Okay, so this is my respective I would say the suggestion to you, Arun. Rohit, ma'am, for data science, how much Python coding we know? Achha, you require how much? And see, Rohit, for data science, you require of the basics Python, like your operators, list, tuple, dictionaries, sets. Then you require the object-oriented programming as well. A little bit you require the data structures as well. That is what you require up, Rohit. Okay, Rahul, Hari, Shankar. I have always doubt like where to use the pip command in PowerShell or command prompt. See, Hari Shankar, it doesn't matter, you can use anywhere. If you want to use it over your, I would say PowerShell, yes, you can. If you want to use it over your command prompt, absolutely you can. Okay, it's completely your choice. Nikhil, Python is a simple language. Okay, Nikhil, Python, yes, absolutely that's a simple language, Nikhil. That's so true. That's really a simple language. pip8 and why is it important? See, pip8 is actually a sort of, I would say, a command only where you just write up the command. It's like that only, Rahul. Nikhil, see, yes, Python is a simple language. It's just that how much like you are gonna put up over and how much practice you're gonna put up over that, Nikhil. That's only the thing, right? In starting, when I was not into coding, I was as well thinking, oh my god, what is coding? How will I do that? And the many thoughts like that. But when literally I came into this particular field and I practiced up, so everything seemed so easy to me. Okay, most welcome, Arun. Pradeep, hi ma'am, I want to learn REST API in Python where I can call this API from some other programming languages. So which one is the best for the same? Yes, Pradeep, you can just proceed with the REST APIs in Python. That's completely okay. Okay. Fine, let me proceed on with the program. So I'm making up the tkinter window. Window underscore tk is equal to capital T small k, like this. Okay. And it's like window underscore tk dot config. I can just simply put up some color over here. So let's say let's say background is equal to we can do it, let's say black, right? That might work out fine. And I'm going to put up like window underscore tk dot geometry. I can put geometry and make it to 500 cross 500. Okay, then I can write in window underscore tk dot title. We can give the title to our window, and it's like bar code generator. Okay, and at last I can write in window underscore tk dot main loop, right? And with this manner I can just finish like main loop acts as the last line of my program. It helps me to just simply close up my program and maintain it up in such a manner that it is like completely closed up over there, right? That's what is my main loop. Right, so this is here I just have described up my tkinter window where my barcode generator is over there, my title, my geometry, my background, right? Okay, so just let me know, am I clear up till this particular place? Hari Shankar. So should we change our working directory before installing the Python packages? No. It's not at all like that. You can very simply install it like this only. Hari Shankar, okay? You can install it like this only and it will get installed and you can use it up anywhere into the complete local machine of yours. Okay? Hi Mohammed, welcome to the live stream. Rahul, if a function doesn't have a written statement, is it valid? Yes, Rahul, it's completely valid. Absolutely it is. The functions which I make in tkinter and the things, those two do not have the return, right? So it's completely valid. Okay, let's proceed in, guys. Okay, right after here I will just make it like A1. Right, that will be having my label in the bracket window underscore tk dot comma, what's the title? So what is the text? So barcode generator, like that is my text, right? Fine, barcode generator is my text, comma bg you can set in background color. Bg is equal to, let's say white. Okay, fg is, let's say, red. Okay, and font we can set in font is equal to It's gonna be Arial, size could be like 30, and I want that even to be in the bold, right? So yeah, that's all what I needed up over here, and I can simply write a1 dot pack, right? So that is my firstly label which I wanted to put a barcode generator onto the very top of my this particular tkinter window. Next I'll be making up a button. So b1 is equal to, okay, as soon as I will click over that particular button, my barcode will be generated up for me. So button window underscore tk. What's the text which I wanted to print over that particular button? I want to print generate, let's say, right? Yes, that's okay, generate, comma, I'll be writing my background color. So this time it's gonna be green. Okay, I'll be putting up some FG color. 1 second. FG color, that's my font color, I would say. So FG, I can put that FG white, right? It will be visible. Next goes in my font. So font we have in Arial, comma, size again 30. It's gonna be, I can make it to bold also. Right, so yes, and I can write in b1 dot pack, right? And yes, that's the thing which we can actually do up over here. Fine, now what I'm going to do is that I would just once very quickly try to run it up over here, and then I will write up define up the main function, and inside that main function we will be writing up the respective things. Okay, so just let me check out the layout and all the things. Right here, check it out, barcode generator, and this is my generate button. It's not working right now because we hadn't put something over here, right? So yeah, it's like that only, which is it is coming up over here. Now next what I will be doing up is that I'll be defining up the main function and my main part of the complete program. Okay. Rahul, if function do not return anything, then it does not have any meaning. See, Rahul, it's like that return statement is one of the things, Rahul, right? Return statement, it's not necessary for you to put up the return statement. What you could do, you can simply define up the function and you can call up that function. If you will call that out, so it will give the resultant result whatsoever is required. So return is not necessary for you to check out or give out any of the respective results or for any of the respective answers, right? That I was trying to tell up, Rahul. Okay, Nikhil, why are you using pycharm light theme? White color is bad for eyes. Okay, try Dracula theme. Okay. Nikhil, see, like I really do not like some dark colors over there. Like as onto my screen, I always want that to be bright. So that's the reason I am simply using the pycharm light. Nikhil, why pack? See, Nikhil, I told you, right, that in the place you have to mention a specific x, a specific y values, but I do not want to do so. I just want that everything should be properly aligned in line by line, and I do not want to mention up the things. So yeah, that is the reason I am using up the pack instead of the place. Okay, Mohammed, okay, fine. Right, so what I'm going to do is that I'll be defining up a function def maker. Maker is the name of my function. Okay. Now into that I will be writing up my respective text that I wanted to get print over my barcode. Fun with data science. Okay. Now I'll be converting that text to the string if it is not. Okay, for me it is, but yeah, it might happen that the text which you had mentioned is not a string, so I would convert that to the string format. So text1 is equal to str and the text, like that. Okay, next I'll be writing up this particular like variable which is code. Okay, and I'm gonna write barcode dot get underscore barcode underscore class. Now listen me out over here very clearly. That is get barcode class. This is the respective function which will help you to get to put up the respective code class of the particular code, right? Now this is the specific one. This is the user defined, not the user defined. This is the inbuilt thing which you have to put in up over here. That is code 128. You cannot make that up a change or something like that, right? So yeah, you just have to write up over here. And then next I'll be writing up, okay, just hold on a second. Right away here I will be further proceeding in, and I'll be writing up a variable, that's the image variable. Okay, now that image variable will help me to generate up the image for my particular code, right? So code into the bracket we are having text, comma, I'm going to put up over here writer is equal to that image writer function which we have imported up above, right? So image writer and the brackets over here. So this particular image function, it will help me to generate up the code for my text. And what do we want to write? We want to write it with the image writer. It means not onto the image, it should be written up, right? Okay, that's done. And now I'll be using up a function of save img, which will help me to save my image. So save underscore underscore img is equal to image dot save bracket barcode, right? Barcode, we can just simply put it up over here. It will automatically be saved onto the png format, right? So just confirm me, am I clear up till this particular place to every one of you? Until the time, let me have in some water also. Rahul, which interpreter are you using? Rahul, it's Python 3.9. 3.9, yeah. Right, so yeah, just confirm me guys, everyone in the chat box. Am I clear up to this particular place to all of you? Okay, Nikhil, thanks for the confirmation. Okay, fine everyone. Now, I will be using, let's say, A2 is equal to, I'll be writing up the label over here, right? Window underscore tk, comma, what text do I want to write up over here? I would write in generated, okay, generated successfully, okay, achievable successfully, like this, right? Okay, so this is Harishankar. Okay, thanks for the confirmation, Harishankar. A background I can set in, let's say it's gonna be now yellow. Okay, font color, let's say I can put it up red, that works in, right? And then goes in my font. So font specifications are my Arial, size 25, and then bold, right? And I can very quickly write in a2.pack, the same function which I used in downside for your A1 and for your B1, right? That same function I had used up over here also. And now I am left out with the very last thing for my particular project, and that is about the calling of my function. So into my button, I will be calling up my function, comma. I'll be using up the command over here. Command is equal to, and the command is maker. You do not have to put up these brackets over there, okay? That's not at all required. Remove up those from here, and it's like as simple as that, right? So perfect, we had just completely made our particular project of that barcode generator over here, right? I would just do one thing. I would try to change in this BG color. It's not looking so cool. Light green. Light green works. And light green, like that. Perfect. So now what I'm gonna do over here is that Akash, are we using Django for some app? Yeah, Akash, Django is a web dev framework which we have up into the Python. If you're talking about my projects, so no, into my projects I do not use Django at all, because that's a web dev part, right? And currently I am completely focusing upon the data science portions and your Python. So yeah, that's the reason, Akash. Okay, so is that clear to you, Akash? Okay, perfect. Right, so we just right away completed the complete code of ours for the barcode thing. Now it's the time for running it up over here and checking out if the things are working fine or not. Okay, so it's like overrun option. Now let's see that what's gonna appear up. Yeah. Oh, both green. Okay, let that be like this only. Fine. So here we are having this barcode. Okay, where is that gone? Here. Here we are having this barcode generator as my heading. That's my button, right? And what I could do, I can click over this particular button and it showed me generated successfully. Oh, triple aligned put in, I will make the change required one. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I will go on to the required particular place where my this file, that is main.py file, is actually made. Okay, so for me the location is C, users, user, pycharm projects, Python project 3. Inside that we have main.py. Right, so into my pycharm, this is the particular folder. What was the name for my image? Barcode. Okay, here we have this barcode.png, right? I'll double click over that, and here we have the barcode for the fan with data science, right? So this is the type of the things which is gonna appear up for your respective I would say the complete barcode project, right? And I have to make in some changes over here. I'll just get me a second, guys. Okay, hold on. Harshvardhan, where are you from? Okay, Harshvardhan, I am from Uttar Pradesh, but what's my respective city from where I am? That I'm not going to disclose up right away. You will get to know that very soon, because one of my videos is coming on to the Josh Talks channel. I hope you all know about Josh Talks, right? So one of my videos is coming up over there. So there you'll get to know all the things about me. So it's gonna come up very soon, in the first or second week of August. It will be there onto the channel. So just wait for that. Okay. Okay, I need to make that spelling correct successfully one, right? Like, okay, if you double L, and I need to make the color as well. It's gonna be light pink. Okay, that would work out, but not this light green thing. the Flutter? See, Rahul, actually, I won't say anything about the Flutter right now because currently I'm not the correct person for that. But yeah, you can use Flutter as well. That's a good option. राहुल मैम लास्ट वाला प्रोजेक्ट में भी जो मैं क्रिएट पे क्लिक करता था तो मुझे एट्रीब्यूट एरर आता था. आपने कहा लाइब्रेरी की स्पेलिंग चेक करने को, तो मैंने किया लेकिन नहीं सही हुआ. ओके, एट्रीब्यूट एरर. ओके राहुल. मे बी आपने राहुल कहीं पे एल वगैरह या जो एल और बी जो वर्ड्स हैं इनको आपने कैपिटल लिखना था, बट माइट यू डिडंट हैव wrote that in capital or something like that. Maybe that's the reason Rahul isme like your spelling error is coming up. Okay, so Rahul, like as soon as the live stream ends ना, मैं इस particular project का जो code है वो comment में डाल दूँगी and you can check that over there, right? If it works in. I know I always say that I'm gonna put up the code and I never do so because it's like that. This live stream gets ended, then I just get busy into my other works, and that's why I just really forgotten the things. Akash, how much of days is required for data science interviews like stack, Q graphs, etc.? This no, Akash, these are not required. It's that about your little searching and sorting things are required. Okay, and especially focus upon the list, upper dictionaries, and the sets. The stack, Q graph, these are not asked out. A little bit of your time complexity, your searching and sorting. That's all for your data science interviews about the DSA. Rahul, okay, most welcome Rahul, most welcome. Okay guys, if you can let me know how is the project, how much did you people enjoy it in? Harshvardhan, your content is so nice, I have gone through it. Okay, thank you so much Harshvardhan. Thank you so much for that. Okay, thank you Akash, thanks for that and most welcome. Ma'am, I think you deserve more subscribers than you have. I will definitely share your channel with my friends. Thank you so much Hari Shankar for that, and thank you Hari Shankar, thank you so much for that. See, it's just like that guys. I would really request all of you to please share in my channel with all of your respective friends and your like whoever wants to study about Python and data science, right? Because they might find it up useful, and it might help them all to get in some good informations about data science and Python. Harshvardhan, is this a real accent or are you just doing it? No, Harshvardhan, I really do not do that. I am not sure, like last time as well, I don't remember who was the person, but yeah, that person asked me out. So Harshvardhan, it's just like that. In the whenever I start speaking up about some topic or something which I am really very aware of, or which I am really very clear of, or the things which I know in a very good manner, so it automatically this accent comes in. And when I am a sort of a person, when I do not know too much things about that topic or somewhat it's like that, I am not very much professional into that. So into that there's a little bit of like the other different things. So yeah, it's not that I'm doing it onto my own, it's just that I'm simply speaking and it becomes up like that. Okay, sure Rahul, sure. Okay, fine guys, so thank you so much everyone for coming up into this live stream. Thank you everyone for being here. I'll see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the evening, with some new and some more cool project for all of you. Thank you everyone, thank you so much everyone for joining in the live stream. Yeah, and I will try कि मैं last project का जो code है that I'll also try to put in up over the last live stream itself. Yeah, sure, sure. Please, please, Akash, please, you can put. Yeah, bye bye, bye Rahul. Is advanced SQL like trigger window function? Yes, Akash, advanced SQL is used in like your trigger, your revoke, your commit. These things are asked. Yes, these are. Okay. So thank you so much everyone for joining in the live stream. Thank you everyone for being here. I'll see you all next Saturday, same time 10 p.m. in the evening with some more new projects and some cool functions and modules in Python. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye everyone. Good night. Take care. And bye bye. I'll see you all next Saturday.